The Jefferson Parish Terrytown Facade program was initially created by past Councilman at Large, Ricky Templet, and Councilman Marion Edwards. It was their brainchild. As of today, we have 17 properties that are completed, and they're just charming. The homeowners are thrilled because many of them really couldn't afford it.
This means a lot because I've been trying to improve the house. We've lived here for 52 years and things wear. It's important to me that the house look nice. And outside there wasn't much I could do. I'm not physically able to get up on the roof and do any kind of repairs and things. I asked for new cladding on the porch posts, which they did. I got all new gutters and downspouts. I got new shutters. They power washed the entire front of the house and the upper level sides, and they painted my front door for me. Really made the house look nice and pleased me that I was able to get that done without having to expend so much effort on my own.
It makes it look a lot better. I mean, simply put, it's a nice feeling, you know, to have the house look nice again. Like my mom, I know how much she likes this house a lot. And you know, it's her first house. So to have this opportunity to fix it up and just make it all around a nicer looking home, I mean, you can't beat that, you know? It's pretty solid.
We would only do things such as the front of the house, the facade. That meant the soffit, the fascia, replacing or repairing windows, shutters, sidewalks, concrete driveways, and some landscaping. And we've been very successful at getting those things done.
We got a new walkway installed in our home. We were thrilled to death. Never in a million years did I think I would be picked, but I was. It was very easy and it was a very short time. It only took a week after the concrete was poured and everything. It only took a week for them to finish the work. It's just really enhanced the front of the house so much. It gives it a totally different look. If you would see the before and after pictures, you wouldn't believe it. I mean, it's really come out super nice.
We hope to improve the look of the neighborhood. We hope to give more ownership and more pride in the neighborhood. And that's what we're seeing from this experience with this community.